Hey guys, welcome to MTM Tech, and today we are doing an unboxing of Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. Here's my mobile. On the front you see the Mi logo, branding of Mi. You see it, yeah, it's the branding. And on the back you see the 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM variant. I will tell you that it is in black color and global variant. And let's open this device and check what it is in. On the top of the list we see it seems like it's a marriage invitation card from Lee June, and the signature and the branding innovation for everyone. Take this out, and it's a device. It looks rough because we use this device for install application for to know you how this device is, and place it side. Let's jump to our next things. Here's the power brick of 2.5 ampere on 5 volts. Here's the American power brick, as you see, and here's the type C data cable and the QR code on there. You see the type C data cable with at almost 1 meter of data cable, and here's some user manual with the Mi mixer. It's look like you see USB type C port and the user manual, as you know. Let's jump to our next package. Here's it comes with dongle. You see the dongle. I think it did not have headphone jack. As you see, it doesn't have headphone jack, so it comes with dongle and the SIM injector tool you see there. And on the back it's aluminium case and also barcode reader on this aluminium soft plastic case. And let's jump to the main thing, the device. You see innovation for everyone, and this thing go back trash. And you see it's a device. It has 12 megapixel OIS optical image stabilization camera with dual tone auto tone rear double flash with fingerprint. And you see the Mi Mix designed by Xiaomi. I think you see this. And let's jump and turn on this device. You see Mi logo, mi.com. I think it's a good deal. In $400 you got Snapdragon 835 with 6 gigs of RAM and OIS optical image stabilization camera. And here's our main device. You see on the top it has very little bezel, and on the bottom it has a large bezel with the camera of 5 megapixel. And as you know, it has type C, and also it does not have headphone jack. And on the back it has 12 megapixel 4-axis iOS camera with 18 karat gold. Why they put 18 karat gold on a $400 device? So let's jump to camera. And you see the colors of this camera is not too good, but I think the contrast and the saturation is a little bit great, but not too good for flagship device. So as you know, Xiaomi did not work on camera. And here's our unbox. That's wrap. Unboxing out.